Sometimes extremely unfortunate events happen to each and every one of us. That's me today. Let me show you something. Besides the little furry friend that you see there, what else do you see right there in the street? Nothing. What was there, though, was my beloved van, which has been stolen. I'm an optimist, but I'm also a realist. I had thousands of dollars of equipment in it. It was my livelihood. Y'all didn't know that I do these street serenades and everything else that I do. Do I expect to get it back? No. Was my equipment insured? No. You have to have renters or homeowners insurance for that. Do I expect them to find it? Hell no. So now is the time that I have to face some tough things. I have to rebuild from scratch. All my equipment is gone. Several $1,000s worth of equipment and other things, including my wallet and other belongings. So I'll be starting a campaign to try to get back on my feet with regards to this. It's gonna take some time. It's gonna take some help, some real help. So several years ago, I did a GoFundMe for a friend of mine who went through a very, very tough time in her life, and I raised $21,000. I'm looking to do the same because the toughest part about this whole thing, for those that have been through this before, and I myself, this is my first time, is that if the insurance company doesn't find the car within 7 days, then they're going to offer a cash exchange for it, which will not cover the costs of what I have left on the vehicle, as well as everything else. Everything is probably totaling at least 20 grand right now. So I'm just here. I'm here. I'm still smiling because I'm still here, and I get the opportunity to just take a deep breath and start this process of trying to figure it out one day at a time. All help is desired, all support is desired, even if it's just sharing this video. But I have a lot to rebuild. Everything has come to a halt because of that, and I don't even have to further explain for those of you all that have been through any kind of major loss. So yeah, that's that. Drop a line, drop a thought. Most of all, please help with your support. And I'll keep you all posted on updates. Yeah. And I thank you in advance for anything that you help me out with. Anything.